Alright, more or less, vámonos. Subscribe to our Granny and Daughter YouTube channel.
Why do you want me to be on YouTube?
Huh? Cause they want to see who the granny be in the comments.
Are you serious?
They want to see who the granny be in the comments over here.
You roll for that show.
They was like, who granny daddy is in the comments like that? They want to know who the grandma is in the comments.
You're not going to be telling people who I am.
What if I could stand this up in the basket?
Video. Long video.
Yeah. He trying to be on my channel, y'all. He trying to be on the channel. I'm not that embarrassed at the moment. Look at Granny making friends. Granny over there making friends. I'm trying to stand this up in the basket.
Got a boy.
Yes, I'm married. Can he move? You got a boyfriend. Momo, you heard him? That guy that just walked past me. He said, you got a boyfriend.
No, but I don't know what money.
You know? I said, I'm married. I got a husband and 3 kids.
You should tell me no, but I don't want good money. Pays my bills.
Excuse me. Let me get out the way. I'm in the way. Well, I'm gonna go over here. So people. All right. Came out, took the way. You got a boyfriend. That was so creepy. Babe, I got you. I got you, babe.
Well, pick it up. I can go get what I need.
Okay, you gonna watch my wallet?
Oh, Lord.
Okay. You wanna be on
gonna do that in the stove?
No.
No. She said she don't want to
said
do it.
no.
We not no secret shop. I'm just
Mom,
messing
put this
with
back
you.
right there so I can hold it.
She want you to
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. Mom, put it back behind the camera.
Do you
Okay.
accept collabs?
Yeah. Well, we're just starting off right now, so
Yeah.
we just finding our niche.
Yeah, I have one, but I want to restart it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but let her do her work.
Oh, shoot. This is our channel.
There you are right there.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, we
Now give it to her. She
new
can go.
subscriber. It's leaning kind of. It's kind of leaning a little bit. Thank you.
All right.
I did something to do.
Yes. All right. Thank you. You have a great day.
We should collab.
Let me know, girl. Let me know. It's a couples channel.
Uh-huh.
Just let me know. Just let us know.
All right.
Thank you.
She up there gonna get fired.
No, she not.
Doing her stuff. Doing her
She's still working though. That's how we do it though. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you see me in the stove, if you see me and Bennett in the stove, that's what I call him sometimes. I call him Bennett. If you see us in the stove and you got a YouTube channel or you want to collab or whatever, we in the market for collabing at the moment. You know what I'm saying? We just starting out, but that don't mean we can't. Oh, you dropping stuff? Oh.
I'm sorry, baby. That's because I stopped. Oh, there's one right there. 3X.
We just got a new subscriber. She didn't want to be on the camera though. That's okay. It's okay. But I believe she has a channel as well. Oh, I should have got her channel so I can, you know, show love or whatever. That's okay. It'll pop up on our notification feed or whatever. But that was so awesome. And she was looking at me too. I thought she was just, you know, like wondering what I'm doing. But Granny told we secret shoppers and stuff. No, but she had the other lady to get my attention so that way I can come and, you know, come back. And she was like, "Are you a vlogger on YouTube?" I said, "Yes, girl. We vlog. We got everything. You know what she in." Rick Warren,
These are lounging dresses, right?
Those are cute, Mom.
Really?
Yeah, those are cute. Look at Granny. She got style. Okay, girl. Even though we ain't coming here for no clothes.
We showed them. Let me go get my hair stuff.
Look at
Came
her.
in to pick up some money. Now
I don't wanna-
try to leave half of it here.
Boy, they got the game messed up, huh? Huh? They got the game messed up. That sign say.
Other two shawls at the house.
Uh-huh.
Them two black dresses, I can wear that with that, or you got to wear those other two.
Yeah. That sign said $15.92 and it's ringing up $22.88. Granny ain't playing by her monies. Momo, what if she say it is $22.88?
She gonna have to go walk back over there and hang on the rack. That's the only one I got on because of what they said.
Momo ain't about the shenanigans.
Yeah, that's what it said right there. You gonna let her walk all the way back over here to not a woman.
Really? If she say it's not $15.92?
Because that's false advertising.
Yeah, they gotta give it to you for that person that's sitting right there.
They still got that cart up close to your
You know what I'm saying? Like trying to hit my car. I done told them about this doggone cart by my car. Now, the dog,
It's up under there. I'm gonna push it over there.
the cart dispenser is over. I mean, the cart acceptor. Her feet hurt.
Hold it.
Her feet hurt right here. Her feet hurt.
You better hold it.
Wait, well, you strong, girl. Wait. Okay, go again. Go.
Push on it.
Huh?
Push.
Okay. Cause you strong. Shoot. Yeah, her feet hurting. Why she walking like that? Cause her feet hurt.
She got Come on, let's leave it there.
Boy, you gonna leave it behind somebody's car? I ain't see nothing. I ain't gonna say nothing. Oh,
Unlock the door.
I thought it was unlocked. My bad. My bad. Some shady. Hot.
How come this seat laying back now? Was I laying back when I came down here?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You put it, you left it like that. All right, here you go, Mama. Your turn.
It's not time for what?
The vlog.
Hold on. So who my blog? You?
Huh?
Hey, Javon, this your granny. Your American granny. How you be doing?
Why you got the window down, Mama?
Cause it's hot.
I'm about to
Heard what your lady's friend said. Why do I have the window down? Cause she got it hot up in this camp.
I'm about to let the window down.
And it's too hot. Peace.
Oh,
Ooh, this is Shabba, your #1 American girl
Lord. Oh, that's
at
funny.
Walmart.
That's funny.
But
Hi, baby. You heard my car, didn't you?
Yeah, you recording?
Yes.
You.
What you eating?
The Young and the
Curry chicken
This portion is sponsored by
and rice.
Okay. What happened to your forehead?
What you want to my forehead?
What happened to your head?
Oh, no, my
Who hit you in your face?
That's my new regular. Maybe that's why.
No. That ain't nothing. That's why. Are you lying to me? Who hit you?
See, back to normal, right?
No.
What you mean, no?
Man, you got a scar on your face.
Where?
Right there.
From the do-rag.
No, it's not. How you gonna put your do-rag on your eyebrows?
Man, my do-rag come all the way down here.
If only there was a place nearby you could get one of these.
Hi.
Lying.
Or these.
Hi.
Good thing there's
My name is Javon.
Granny left a message on here for you.
What she say?
I ain't gonna tell you. You gonna see when you see the video.
Hey,
I'm not gonna tell you.
it's better good.
Huh?
Better good.
I don't know. You tell me.
Said you gave us
How I'm gonna tell you if it's better good if I don't even know what's on the thing.
What you about to put on?
No, that was in there.
Millionaire what? Diamond Club?
a
Where you get that from?
baby, and then he gets cancer 3 months later.
Yeah, you look sick.
1 in 5 children diagnosed with cancer in the U.S. will not survive.
I recorded a lot.
You can join
Yeah.
the battle to save lives
So you finna edit
by
it?
supporting St. Jude.
You about to edit this. I made this so you can edit it.
You got me
Now St. Jude,
effed up.
Wave check.
No.
Wave
No,
check.
no, not yet. Not yet.
Wave check.
I just started it. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, when can we check it in?
Child lives.
In summertime.
Babe, really?
Call or go online right now and become a St. Jude
I can't enjoy my food in peace, man.
Yes, you can eat.
I hope they find the cure for cancer so you can go back to being
He's so silly. I took over the vlog today.
Yo.
Yo. Look at his waves.
2 people donated our site.
Don't zoom in.
Ah, too late. Too late.
How was your day? What you did?
I did a lot of stuff. Yep, I
How many
was
stuff did you accomplish today?
nothing. Nothing. Not a doggone thing. Simply because, well, the only thing I needed to do today was to get my windshield fixed. But I couldn't get it fixed because, what? You almost hit yourself in the face, didn't you? Because the guy was going to charge me $100. But I was like, let me see if my insurance can cover it.
$100 to fix it?
Yeah. Why didn't I get it done there?
I mean, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know how windshield go. I don't know if it's that expensive or cheap.
The lady told me for my insurance, she said it's gonna be $1,000 to get the whole windshield replaced. I'm not paying.
And they're probably gonna
$1,000.
take your car for a couple of days.
Yeah.
You ever seen them people who drive around on the and they got the little windshield in the back of the truck?
Yeah.
I think they do it. I don't know any of their numbers though.
Babe, this looks so clear.
Cause you keeping it steady, it's focused.
Toes. Babe, when we going to get our toes done?
Excuse me?
You said you wanted to get your toes done.
When I said that.
Don't be frank for this camera.
Well, hopefully it'll bring you luck today.
I roast in front of this camera and talking about how you better not delete nothing off of you either.
How grateful I am to have it all this time.
Forehead bigger than the moon.
But I know you're talking with them fungus toes.
When I don't believe in myself.
Show your toes.
No.
Come, show your toes.
No.
Come on, let's show your them chip toes.
Shut up.
Like you crop your toes. You trying to come for a picture?
Shut up, ugly.
What you want me to do?
I don't know.
I just got out of work. I already did all my thing already.
So this is gonna be vlogging with Shy today.
Yep.
Vlogging with Shy. Babe, your draw's showing.
Anyway, it was just
Why you looking, bro?
really nice.
I'm back to one.
It's still showing.
I ain't got time for you. I'm watching this shit.
Alright guys. I'm gonna be she was on another show, wasn't she? She was on with Sonny Corinto them.
Oh, great. I just wanted to come over and
You don't watch General Hospital, huh?
I don't know what you talking about.
I'm talking about that lady right there.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know what you're on.
Okay. But yeah guys, I'm about to end this video right now.
I'm protecting you.
And we'll catch y'all in the next vlog.
Don't seem as frustrated as
Or the next video challenge or something. We're gonna do that. Alright. Let me stop playing. This camera is heavy.
investigate Dad.
Babe, you got something to say? You want to end it? What you want to say?
No.
Yep, that's it.
That's a good call.
Hey, what the hell? Alright guys. Peace. Oh, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button.
Will always be great.
Comment down below. And hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. You heard me? Peace.